in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see a list of all audio devices installed on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the search menu and the start button, basically, and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select sound. And then scrolling down again underneath advanced, select where it says all sound devices. And then you should see a list of all of your input and output devices presently installed on your system. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.